And we are live! Hello mga kakwento, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So I'm excited tonight because we're going to talk about something na baka makapagpabago ng takbo ng buhay mo. Yung online business na walang pinipili if nakagraduate ka ba o hindi, or magaling ka ba o hindi, kahit walang experience. So grab your coffee and let's kwento. So let me ask you this. What if one day nawalan ka ng trabaho, nawala trabaho mo? What if your salary is no longer enough to provide for your family's needs? Lalo na ngayon, everything is expensive, di ba? So the question is, anong gagawin mo anong gagawin natin ngayon para hindi tayo mahirapan bukas? So this business is called attraction marketing business. Ang ganda ng concept niya kasi hindi ito yung habol ka ng habol ng tao. You don't chase people, you attract the right people who are already looking for opportunities. Hindi ka mangungulit ng mga kaibigan mo, hindi ka rin magme-message sa mga relatives mo, unless you want them to be successful then in the future. May sistema na gagawa ng 90% ng trabaho para sa'yo. Paano ka magsisimula? You will have by-step training kahit wala kang experience. May mga mentors tayo dito at coaches na gagabay sa'yo. Mga taong nagtagumpay na dito, so hindi ka mag-iisa. And yung pinaka-importante, legal, legit, at global ito. So you can work from anywhere. Pwedeng nasa bahay ka lang or even habang nasa travel ka. And the best part, flexible yung hours. You can control your time, perfect para sa mga mommies, parents, OFWs, or kahit sinong gustong magdagdag ng extra income. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pera. This is about helping others while creating a better future for your family. Ako personally, sorry. Kaya ako nag-start kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng time freedom. At ayokong dumating yung araw na magsisisi ako kasi wala akong ginawa habang may chance pa ako. So mga kakwento, tanong ko sa inyo, kung may paraan magkaroon ng extra income nang hindi naaapektuhan ng full-time job mo, gagawin mo ba? If yes, then this is your sign. Huwag mo nang hintayin na maipit ka sa sitwasyon bago ka kumilos. So start learning, start exploring, and trust me, it's possible. So thank you for spending time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. Now, if you're curious and you want to learn more about the business, you may message me directly or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.